From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 36th question of NECO 2025 is on plane geometry, where we use the cosine rule. It says if triangle ABC has sides AB as 6 cm, BC as 5 cm, AC as 7 cm, find cos B. So let's sketch. If this is A, B, C, and AB is 6 cm, BC is 5 cm, AC is 7 cm. You want to recall that if we are looking for B square naturally, this will be A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. And so now we are looking for the angle. So we have to make cos B the sort of formula. So cos B will now be A square plus C square minus B square all over 2AC. And so our A is the side facing this angle, which is 5 square, plus our C, the side facing this angle, 6 square, minus B is 7 square over 2 times 5 times 6. 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 6 is 60. So 25 plus 30 is 55, plus 6 is 61. And 61 minus 9, 61 minus 49, this 11, 2 is 12. So this is 12 over 60. And so 12 can go here 1, 12 can go here 5. So this is 1 over 5. So it is A. Thank you for watching.